Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell so that you cannot miss our next video. Kuna vakasubscribe kudhara tokutenda nerutsigiro rwamunotipa ndimunotipa simba nemanyukunyuka kuti tirambe tichienderera mberi tichikutsvagirai nyaya pamasocial media platforms akasiyana siyana, pangava pafacebook, Instagram, Twitter kana nepawhatsapp. Dazoti makorokoto kuna Lady Scarabi uyo achiita 14,000 subscribers. Chingoti makorokoto ndo mumwe wevamwe YouTubers vatinodyidzana navo, vatinofambidzana navo. Tongoti makorokoto murambe muchingotitsigira, muchingoramba muchingovatsigira kuti zvirongwa zvedu zvirambe zvichiendera mberi. Muzuva ranhasi ndine nyaya yaSisi Olinda avo vakaresponda kune message yakatumirwa naMiss Red vachita it's like Miss Red vanenge vanofarira kutaura nyaya dzenyika o nyaya dzechikuita neZimbabwe or to talk about or encourage people about like Zimbabwean life and stuff like that. So vanowanzobuda pa Instagram pao, this was on her Instagram, achitaura achidzidzisa kana kuti achida kuedza kupa muono kuvanhu veZimbabwe about like life in general, about politics, about life in Africa. Like aiwanzotaura kuti vanhu vemuZimbabwe, let's not cry too much nokuti nyaya dzewar and stuff like that in Africa hazvisi kuitika muZimbabwe chete, zviri kuitika pasi rose, nyangwe kupi kuri kungoitika chihuri. It's not about Zimbabwe. Even if you go to Nigeria, huri huriko, but vanhu kuNigeria havazofambi vachifukura hapo vachichema vachishorobodza chiNigeria. If you talk bad about Nigeria, you'll be in trouble with Nigerians. Avadi nenyika yao. So Zimbabwe, we should love and protect our country sezvinoita maNigerians. Iyo ndo shoko rakataura naMiss Red. So izvo hazvina kusvika zvakanaka kuna Olinda, whether they've got beach or what, I don't know. Vane beef here kana kuti havana. So vakazviona zvakakodzera zvake Olinda kuti aresponde kune that message yakatumirwa naMiss Red. So this is the message yakanyorwa naMiss Red, but this message ndaiwana pa Facebook yakadzurwawo neZimceleb vachibva vazoisa. So this message is on page yeZimceleb and then macomments acho ari paZimceleb, even though kupage kwacho Olinda iriko nyaya iyoyi nema comments ariko futi, but ini nangu ndaiwandira paZimceleb. Rega tiverenge kuti vanyora kuti kudii. Caption that it's like hashtag Olinda coming through with a message for hashtag Miss Red on a beautiful Sunday, like today Sunday morning. I think Miss Red, you are being completely disrespectful to the people of Zimbabwe. You just need to stop. Some comments you made are very hateful, especially to people like Itai and Pastor Zamara and those who were killed by soldiers. Those are nani na Olinda Chapel achiresponda kunyaya yakataurwa naMiss Red. Then we go through the comments akatumirwa nevanhu. Hanzi chekutanga ndinofarira kuti nhasi Olinda azotaurawo chisina chekuita naStana. Chechitu ndozoti Miss Red ndiani. Uyu ndio umwe wasingadozivi kuti who is Miss Red, ari kutaurwa nezvake. Finally, we have said something that doesn't involve Stana. So exactly all along, Stana is like Olinda is ex Stana. So all along, Olinda and Stana have been fighting. Everything was like Stana can go post something, Olinda has to answer. Stana can post something, Olinda has to intervene. She's sending all sorts of messages and something like that. So this time, at least he was understand. It's either Ashaya Chekuta or Stana or Stana and Achata Posto Chekukomendo for now. So next comment, Madzmere Tukushaya Murume Idambudziko. Ukanya so Iwa Uchadzikama Shako. Gare Paso Olinda, what Miss Red said is true. Mazimbo, we are comfortable. Nema one atilima at. We need to look at what Nigerians are doing. Musangoti because akambotaura zvisiri zvopese paanotaura mangopikisa musina kubata nyaya. Miss Red must be deported back to her original country. It is written in the country. I'm not quite sure whether she comes from that country or not. A lot of hate on this trend Orinda words is irrelevant. There's nothing wrong with what she said. She doesn't even exist to some of us. It's just rubbish. Miss Red chikuru kudya chete, otherwise hapana chozikanwa. Miss Dunderhead. You can't imagine the economy hardship we are facing as a country when we are sleeping with corrupt people. They are fighting each other. They know they are threatened to John Farragut. Very true, they all want to be like Sisi Sande. But hapana ane zvindevele zvake. Iva kusanganisawo nezvindevele zvevanhu vari kuti pamwe igodo rekuti since they are all winning, they are fighting, maybe they are fighting for attention, I don't know. Well said, Olinda. Miss Red should chill and stop disrespecting victims on the oppressive regime. Miss Red is full of nonsense. The same party that she is defending will dump her like a used protector. In fact, their radio station is kindly full of nonsense except judgment yard chat. Let me check if things are going well. Miss Red would be more respectful if she came on live and cried about a boyfriend. At least then anenge achitaura zvaanoziva. Zvekutaura on behalf of Zimbabweans hazvizi mukapasiti yake. The next comment, I agree with Olinda. Miss Red needs to stop this bickering. We love our country, but Tanzania Namu. Which part does she not understand? She isn't got Namu, so what won't get it?
They'll laugh at you. Don't ever think that they're going to look at you nice. Like, Nigeria is bad, good. Nigeria is bad. And one of you right now, same thing as, yeah, we have like our situation. But Nigeria, yeah, if I talk ill about Nigeria to Nigeria, they will tell you, yes, they've got corruption, yes, money, but a Nigerian person is so proud of their country and they will speak well about their country every single time. And you can never have a discussion with a Nigerian about their country. They can tell you, yes, Nigeria is just terrible because of corruption, but I love my country. They'll tell you, I love my country, the people, the food, the culture, the music. But you know, Nigeria is better than Zimbabwe. And you know, Zimbabwe has a great way of making it seem like Africa. Guys, things are tight. Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Nigeria also vanhu abducted, vanhu vanorongwa, vanhu vanosungwa. Don't ever think Zimbabwe is any. But what needs to come Africa? Uganda is another example. Things are bad. They are bad. But let's not go and say no, Nigeria is better than Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is bad, right? But we love our country, so we need to fight for our country. And so we need to understand what we value most about our country in order for us to know what we're fighting. And if there's nothing to fight for because you're talking ill about it, what's the point? So that's my point. Anyway, enough about that. It doesn't mean the rest of us are busy, spending the coffers of ZANU-PF or spending the generate money. It does generate money, but we do not have access to it. People do not. As the other 90% are seeing it, they are not. So be mindful when you throw such insults to them. Kundida kana kusandida kana ita sei ndapedza pandiro kugwechendera Facebook yangu mozondona next week. Saka mchipuma make it's wrong. It's wrong. Zimbabwe is a cotton farming country. It is a cotton farming country. But basa rekuitwa mapedzi nesana Olinda nevakadzi vemuno mu UK